Paul Torpey has been selected to become an honorary member of ASME for outstanding leadership in the electric utility research field that significantly advanced modern power systems, and for enlightened and insightful activities in engineering societies that improved the quality of the profession. He is a past president of ASME and a highly dedicated and important statesman of engineering. Paul Torpey has been a member of ASME for over 50 years.
I graduated Brooklyn Tech in 1955, and so I was there from 51 through 55. And the school was, I would call it in its prime actually at the time.
In 1960, Paul Torpey began his career at Bell Telephone Labs in New Jersey. While at Bell Labs, Paul was instrumental in adapting gas turbine engines used for aircraft to be used as emergency power backup for the nation's telecommunications network.
The Bell system was in business of communications, but when there was a power failure or a disaster, I mean, the worst thing is finding yourself in the dark without ability to communicate. My job was to begin the process of introducing the gas turbine, and that was a very different form of energy.
Throughout his career, Paul Torpey has led teams of engineers in research and development. He was instrumental in the formation of the Electric Power Research Institute and the Empire State Electric Energy Research Corporation. As president of ASME, Paul Torpey stressed the theme of adapting to rapidly changing conditions in the workplace through innovation and lifelong learning.
When I took office as president, I had a theme for innovation. A project got big enough or an issue got big enough, it came to the Board of Governors. I wanted to make sure that they always got a good reception. It was an incubator, if you want to call it that. The last thing I wanted to see was something dismissed because, well, we've done it this way all these years, and why should we do it that way now?
Paul Torpey is a member of the ASME History and Heritage Committee, a group of ASME volunteers that helps foster the preservation of mechanical engineering landmarks, oral histories, and awards. During his years as president, he also began the Leadership Development Internship Program at ASME.
When I was president, I had already helped put the intern program together, and that had really taken off because it was a way for young people to become involved with and knowledgeable about the way the society operated, and then eventually become leaders of the society after they had done these intern programs. And a lot of those young people now are vice presidents and members of the Board of Governors. It's been really good for the young people, and it's been also good for the older members who get a refreshing outlook on life through the eyes of these young interns. ASME is, to me, a big family, and you basically going to help the young people, you're going to take care of the older people, and you just do that because that's the way life is. And it was a good thing for me to focus my efforts.